When a U.S. person receives a foreign inheritance, one of the key questions is whether they're going to become subject to U.S. tax. And it all depends on how you define foreign. So, for example, let's say a U.S. person lives in the United States, they have foreign family members, and those foreign family members have foreign assets. And one of them passes away and leaves it to the taxpayer. In that type of situation, with a foreign person who has no U.S. Uh, strings, so there's nothing they have to do from a U.S. tax perspective, and all of the assets are located overseas, then just receiving that as a U.S. person as an inheritance typically not going to be taxable. It might be reportable on Form 3520, but typically not taxable. Then the situation can get a little gray depending on how far you move from those waters. So if it's a foreign person who has U.S. assets, or it's a U.S. person who also has foreign assets, in that type of situation, while the individual who receives the inheritance is typically not going to be taxed, at least at the federal level, the estate itself might be taxed because there are some U.S. connections, even though the individual may be foreign or some of the property may be foreign and it's a U.S. person.